Hola todos. I am here. I'm Arianos. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here with Mr. Chef. So, what are we doing today?
We're making Penne Alla Vodka.
About to get fucked up with that vodka. We got everything we need, and now for the fun part, which is the cooking. Here we are making drinks. And cooking. We got some prosciutto cut up. You got your ajo and your heavy cream and basil. You had the prosciutto. That's how you say it, right? Prosciutto.
Yes. That is for prosciutto, guys.
Now you add the parsley and garlic. Look at that. And it smells good, guys. And now we add the vodka. Now you add the puree, tomato puree. So what now?
We're gonna reduce this. Look at that tomato sauce. Mostly the water to be gone. We want most of the water to be gone here.
So what does it need to do again?
So in order to judge the thickness of the sauce is just gotta scrape the bottom of the pan like this. And if both sides come together
Too quick?
too quick, that's how you know it's not there yet. But when it comes together very soon, I guess we can get to that. When it gets
Well, that gets ready.
straight on.
We make sure we add the pasta water to boil. Now we added the heavy cream, and you want to make sure you stir so it blends in and you get a different color. Look at that. So cool.
Oh, that's so pretty.
What are you making now? A vodka soda?
Yes, sir. Vodka soda, baby.
I never had a vodka soda, and this is my first time. So not only is he a chef, but he's a bartender. What's up? Come through. Pasta is ready. So what's next? Here's the pasta. It's ready to be colored. Now you add the noodles onto the little pasta thing.
That's not good enough for both of us, right?
I think so. Look at that. Ooh, so good. So deli. You want to make sure you add butter.
Unsalted butter.
Unsalted butter. This is pretty much the finishing product. Kind of.
Yeah, it's pretty much done. All you gotta do is just garnish it and then you're good.
Check that out, guys. The finishing product. Now to add the final touches. Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, it's funny. It's cheese.
And some basil, right?
No, parsley.
Parsley. There you go. Check it out, guys. Guys, check that out. Look at that. Look at that beauty. That's the finishing product. Mr. Chef has his own idea. What's your idea, Mr. Chef?
After making pasta, if the sauce, if you mix everything all at once, and then once you put that bitch in the fridge, it don't taste the same no more. What you gotta do is show them.
You gotta make sure you
Put the sauce on the side, and then the noodles right here.
boom.
And then whenever you want to make it later on, all you gotta do is heat up the sauce, put the noodles in there, and bam, you fucking good.
Check it out. So there you have it. That's how you make. What's it called?
Penne alla vodka.
Penne. Penne alla vodka.
Muy bien.
It's so good. I feel like the flavor's there. So
It's amazing.
pretty good. This is my catchphrase. It's deli.
If you tag me, put Cortinos in it. Hi.
This pasta was good as fuck. I gotta say it's delicious. Deli.
Amazing.
Yes. This pasta was just very good.
I like this a lot.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I feel like this wine got me kind of drunk too. But subscribe to my channel. I have more videos up coming up. But yes, subscribe. Give it a like. Look at that. So good.
So good.
So you guys should definitely give this a try. Right?
Very, 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 yes, yes, try it.
Yes. So I tried this pasta.
On the fucking stove.
This pasta is bomb as fuck, guys. So good. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be posting more videos up, more content. So please subscribe, share this video with all your friends. All I gotta say is that this is so good, and I hope you guys give it a try. Make sure you guys leave a comment on whatever question you guys have, and I'll try my best to answer them. But subscribe and make sure you guys stay tuned in.